What's going on, guys?
Yeah, walk away from me.
Static, fool. Oh my lord. New car. I picked it up last week. I'm about to go make a video real quick on what it is and what's all done to it and one of my plans for it. But yeah, I gotta go back inside and get my steering wheel. I left it in there. It's the second time I've already done this shit. But yeah, let me get this little warm start. So now I gotta go somewhere else, find a different spot to record. I don't even know if y'all can hear me, but dang. Anyways, I'll start recording again when I find some other spot. Man, fuck. Okay, I found a spot. I've been here before. I actually recorded a video, I think the last video on my channel of the holy fuck, right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and make this quick so I can get this video done. But yeah, here's the car. 2007 350Z HR. Yes, I bought it like this. I haven't really done anything to it. I mean, I've only had it for a week, so I mean, what do you expect? But yeah, I'm gonna make a whole other video on what are my plans for the car. But so far, all the car has, it's full bolts-on tune and wheels and headlights and interior. That's really all it is, and the bumper, I guess, if you want to say that. But it's nothing crazy. Definitely a lot better. Definitely an upgrade from the DE. So basically, the wheels, they're Vardovin Form 10s, I believe. They're really clean. I actually like them. They look like TE37s, but they're not. But that's okay. Depot headlights, as you can see, Depot. But yeah, they changed colors. They're really nice. I love these headlights. I'm gonna actually get eyelids here soon. Need those. Nismo bumper. It's not like that cheap eBay shit I had on my last Z. That one was ugly. Other things, exhaust. Like I said, this is full bolt-on tune. It was tuned by, I think the name was BC Tuning in Oklahoma. That's where I bought the car. It's got intakes, exhaust, interior. Shut up. Energy seats. Tank. Fuck. I can never fucking figure out how to pronounce that name. But you know, those harnesses. Energy steering wheel and quick release and hub. Mishimoto knob, Nismo formats. God damn. But harness bar. I mean, there's nothing really crazy to it, y'all. I mean, it's 100 times better than the DE. God damn. But yeah, other than that, y'all, there's nothing really crazy. I got a lot of plans for the car. You know, for the DE, I was gonna go towards more of a stance build with it. I was gonna buy different coils, slam it, you know, make it look all, you know, do the static thing. I was gonna do that with the old Z. You know, it just ended up wanting to change it up. HRs are just better performance. They're better reliability. Overall, just better than the DE. No, don't get me wrong. You can make DEs fast. You can build DEs. You know, you can do all that, especially if you have less money to go buy a DE and you can't afford an HR. That's okay too. I was in the same boat. But you know, everyone has their own money. Everyone does what they can do. I bought this car with my own money. I did buy the car for $9 grand. I sold my DE for $6. You know, I had to come up for the money to get this car. You know, I plan on keeping this car a lot longer. It's 30, but I plan on keeping this car a lot longer. My plans were, I'm just gonna throw it out now. I want to build the car, eventually throw a boost at it, pull the motor, build it, boost it, you know, make it fast, have fun with this street car, eventually get a daily, and then have fun with that too. But you know, life has its ways. I'm not trying to be inspirational, man. I'm trying to tell you the car. But shit, yeah, I'm gonna get a camera here soon so I can start recording on my phone. Start getting more videos out to you guys. I stopped because obviously I was going through all the car shit and the school and work and all that stuff gets in the way. It's cold. But yeah, that's really to it. I don't know what else to say. I'm gonna try recording more videos once it gets a little nicer out. I figured I'd just get this video out of the way real quick. Just so people know what it's about and, you know, can see the car. I'll definitely be recording more videos. I really want to have something with this YouTube shit. You know, it's a dream of everyone. Everyone wants to have some type of career in their life, and, you know, I really would love to have this as a career one day. But, you know, gotta have faith. But yeah, I'll start making more videos once I get a camera. Once I start getting more shit done to the Z and more parts coming in. And yeah, thank y'all for watching, and I'll make another video soon.